Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is increasing order, smallest to biggest. Let's work out the answer. To arrange the numbers in ascending order, let's find the smallest number first. The smallest number in the series is 33,000 number. This becomes the first number in the series. The second smallest number in the series is? We have a 5 lakhs number and a 32 lakhs number. So, the next smallest number is 5,46,875. The only number left now is 32,45,678. That forms our last number in the ascending order. Our ascending order looks something like this. Did you notice? You had a 33,000s, a 5 lakhs, and a 32 lakhs number? Since the numbers were far apart, you did not need to compare digit by digit. To summarize, we arrange numbers from smallest to the biggest to arrange in ascending order.